everyone, my name is Brittany Jennis. I am Assistant Director of the Center for Academic Advising at Stockton University. I'm here today to tell you just a little bit about what it is that we do in the Center for Academic Advising and how we can help you. In the Center for Academic Advising at Stockton, we have several full-time professional academic advisors, and we are experts on the curriculum and how to get you to graduation. We answer lots of questions like, what should I major in? Should I change my major? Is there a minor that works for me? Have I earned a certificate? What courses should I take next semester? Should I study abroad? What courses should I take abroad? And so much more. Our main mission is to make sure that you have the tools and the resources in order to help you successfully navigate toward graduation. One of the ways that we do that is that we build and program Degreeworks. Degreeworks is your roadmap to graduation. It has all of your curriculum information and any graduation requirement that you might be required to fulfill. In addition to the full-time staff in the Center for Academic Advising, every student at Stockton also has a faculty preceptor or a faculty advisor. Your faculty preceptor is an absolute expert in their content area. So in addition to giving you information about curriculum and courses that you might take next semester, they can answer all of your other questions about your major. Those questions might be about internship opportunities, research, study abroad, careers, and anything else that you can think of related to your major specifically is something that you can ask your faculty preceptor. So rest assured, you'll have a faculty expert in the content area, and you also have access to our full-time staff in the Center for Academic Advising. To schedule an appointment with one of our advisors, please visit www.stockton.edu/advising or type advising in the search bar. Once you've reached our landing page, visit Office and Staff Information on the left-hand side. Scroll down to select an advisor. Once you've selected an advisor, click on More Information to schedule an appointment. Whether you're a brand new freshman student, a potential transfer student with questions about your transfer credits, or a student who's been at Stockton for a while, please don't hesitate to reach out to someone from the Center for Academic Advising.